Today we are coming to Aokuma cafe to try out. It's a Japanese cafe that's opened in Hawthorn. Has very good reviews. We are going to order the butadon, which is the pork belly slices, kalage don, Japanese style fried chicken, the udon set with the sliced beef, and a salmon ochazuki, which is seared salmon with special dashi tea broth made of genmaicha. This is the iced matcha latte. I'm gonna try it. This is the pork belly don. So it's got a pork belly with the rice and seaweed, looking really nice. Comes with potato salad and onsen egg and a miso soup. Go. This is the kalage don. Fried chicken with rice. Comes with the potato salad and also onsen egg. This is the beef udon set, so it comes with sliced beef, tofu, and udon. Also has the onsen egg and potato salad. I've ordered this grilled salmon with the tea. This is the genmai tea that you can pour into the rice. Looking good. We're absolutely enjoying our meal. This rice is very nice. The grilled salmon is done nicely. I love the crispy skin. Enjoying the tea with it. Pork belly is one of the best I've ever had. Very nice, not too fattening. Again, nicely marinated. Very soft as well. The kalage is crispy, tasty as well. Just had it. I love the beef udon as well. The beef is very tasty. It's like a wagyu beef.